our portable storage bin concession stand. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 21 inches, a depth of 26 inches, and a height of 30 3/4 inches. Please note that the film can be peeled off, that's protecting the stainless steel. Perfect for your food trailers or any other business. This can be used as a worktop along with storage underneath, holding your products. Interior dimensions, we have 24 inches in depth, 21 inches in length, and a height of 24 inches. Left to right magnetic tabs. Doors will remain shut with the magnetic feature. So when you close the door, for all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.